If you're looking for how to buy Ripple XRP, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll learn how to buy XRP with a credit or debit card, bank account, Apple Pay, or Google Pay, and have your XRP delivered straight to your self-custody Exodus wallet. Now, if you don't have an Exodus wallet yet, click the link in the top right to download or visit exodus.com. And whether you buy XRP in the Exodus mobile or desktop app, the steps are pretty much the same. Open Exodus and tap the buy and sell dollar icon. On mobile, the buy and sell button is located at the bottom right, and in the desktop app at the top. A screen with pre-filled info will display where you can select your currencies and amounts. To change the amount, just tap the amount field and enter what you'd like. To change the crypto you want to receive or the currency to pay with, tap the crypto or currency and select from the drop-down menu. Search XRP. If you don't see XRP, it's likely because it's not supported in your jurisdiction. Not to worry though, you can still buy another crypto like Bitcoin or Litecoin and swap it for XRP using the swap feature. Now, once you've entered your purchase details, tap continue. Exodus will automatically connect you to a third-party API provider who will process your order. Now, you'll have to provide some personal details to verify your identity and link your payment methods, such as your email, billing address, date of birth, a selfie with a photo ID, and other information. And once your information has been verified, you can proceed with your purchase. Any fee you pay is always included in the total amount shown on the purchase screen. What you see is what you get. Continue and check your email to confirm your purchase. Generally, your crypto will arrive in your wallet in less than 20 minutes.
Thanks for watching, everyone. We've got a lot more videos for you, so just click any of these to keep watching.